So, what's driving the buzz around LIDR, WALD, AREC, FLXS, BINI, ADD, and LASE? So, we'll find out. First of all, LIDR up 13.08%. This is Tuesday, the 19th of August. So yeah, as of the 24th of July, the stock spiked by a massive 270% in a single day, following the announcement that its Apollo LiDAR system has fully integrated into NVIDIA's Drive AGX autonomous vehicle platform. And yesterday, the company announced a strategic partnership with Black Sesame Technologies in China for the fueling market interest. So this is the 4 hour chart. It's active now. It has reflected this 12.69% gain. So the extrapolation is saying that high prices will remain in place up till Thursday, the 21st of August. There's no guarantee that that will be the case. In terms of projections, we have current price is 2.93 or thereabouts. We have down projections 2.37, 2.51, 2.72, but it does have upper projections. As of the 14th of August, they had a 3.34, 3.62, 3.80. On the 12th of August, they had 3.88, 3.66. Even uh, on the 6th of August, they had 4.06, 5.75, 7.03, 7.82. Let's see what price pressure momentums are saying. Okay, they are both the 10 and 21 period moving averages are strongly bullish or in strong trend modes. However, the 10 period moving average is not standing on any firm ground. The derivatives are very seriously negative, especially the first derivative, indicating that that stock is not standing on firm ground. The chance that a pullback is going to come in may be there. But at the same time, you can look at it conversely. You could also mean that these negative derivatives are, they were severely negative, a lot more negative than they are improving. If you want to look at it that way, you could see that argument can be made. So let's have a look at the next. It is WALD up 10%, intraday high. Yes, not yes, yeah, yesterday 2.85. Let's see what's going on. So the company's 21st half of 2025 updates are painted a mixed picture. The company acquired Nova Estic, doubling Obagi Medical's US addressable market by entering the dermal filler space. Concurrently, Milk Makeup achieved strong retail growth, expanded distribution, example Ulta and Amazon. However, revenue guidance was downgraded to low to mid single digits, and earnings release was postponed, signaling possible challenges ahead. The company also initiated a strategic review, often a sign of restructuring or exploring sales opportunities. Today, a notable 45% drop in its short interest was reported, suggesting short sellers are reevaluating or covering positions, possibly reducing downside pressure. Okay, let's see. 2.85 intraday high yesterday. Let's see. Okay, yeah. Okay, so we have got a rejection yesterday. Yeah, yesterday's post-market session. Yeah, I mean, at the close of yesterday's, well, it spiked yesterday, and has retreated from those levels, and the extrapolation is saying that a bounce is going to, if you like, cycle up and reach maybe the highs of probably 2.35 by Monday, the 25th of August, no guarantee that that will be the case. It's currently at 2.02. Let's see, projections are saying 2.39 currently in play. Let's see what we have here, 2.47 as of the 6th of August, 2.98, 2.88, 2.71, 2.21, 2.29 as of the 25th of July. Okay, so even with this percent is at 12 point, okay, it's up 12.22% actually. So yeah, yeah, we have a negative, we have negative, strongly negative second derivatives indicating that this is not a very strong gain. This is not so strong. It's probably it's still in the midst of still is it's this gain is in the midst of even stronger gains. It's in the midst of better performance. That's probably what it's trying to indicate, indicating that maybe it may not hold, or there's a chance that the improvement can get better, or the improvement has, it should do better. It should do better, but maybe that it may not hold as well. It may not repeat what it has done. It may not be able to repeat what it just did in the previous session. It could be, I mean, depending on how you want to look at it, it's giving mixed signals there. Okay, let's have a look at AREC, up 20.47%. Okay, let's see what's going on with AREC. Okay, analyst sentiment appears notably bullish. Strong buy ratings and a significant upside with price targets up to $4, implying over 200% upside potential from current levels. The company positions itself as a low capex, low cost play in essential infrastructure and electrification markets, dealing in rare earth and critical minerals. That theme aligns with long-term infrastructure demand. No specific news event triggered this buzz, but the combination of market interest in clean tech slash metals, buy side sentiment, and upcoming earnings dates, that is Tuesday, exactly 1 week from today, seem to be elevating attention. Okay, so up 21.26%. Got a pivot this yesterday, so it's still holding the strength of yesterday. The extrapolation of its 3 period moving average is saying that it's going to remain strong up till at least midday of today's trading session. Then after that, we might go into a distributive contraction or just a retracement that may remain in place up till Tuesday, the 26th of August, when the earnings outcomes may come out, may be released. And then after that, by then, a bounce may occur. So, in other words, it's saying that maybe profit taking might begin to kick in now, and then by the disclosure of earnings outcomes, a bounce might occur. Who knows? Projections, we have downward projections 1.33, 1.24. Let's see what we have. The higher projections here 1.63 as of Friday the 15th, 1.67. Not a lot of upper projection on the stock. Let's have a look at the daily chart. We have 1.81, 2.13, 2.32. Okay, not a lot of projections there. The stock may have it may have quite a sizable amount of shares floated, maybe or maybe not. So severely bearish. 10 and 21 period moving averages. However, the second derivatives are robustly bullish, indicating that the stock is standing on firm ground. It is improving. Yeah, we can clearly see that it's improving, but still has a lot of room to the upside. It could do better. It could do better. It's improving. It's actually technically is a stock to watch. As things improve, some might even jump in now because if it continues to hold their strength, it may these negative values are also indicating that there's potential there for it to retest previous highs, especially the highs of around 1.97. What do we have here? 1.95 or something like that. But at the same time as well, um, it could also mean that it may not be able to hold it because we have second we have a negative derivative here. We have a mix of things here: robustly negative first derivative, very strong second derivatives on the two moving averages. So it's a mix of things. So it's just clearly indicating that it has the potential to retest previous highs, but at the same time, it's that potential is being diluted by the negative derivatives. So let's just see. The algos are saying, as you can clearly see here, that sell-off is coming on. Sell-off is going to happen in this session, but I don't know. So let's just see. FX XS down or up 23.12%, intraday high in this session for 5.31. Flex Steel primary highlight is a 70% increase in its quarterly dividend, reflecting a strong cash flow and shareholder friendly returns. Elsewhere, robust trading shows a modest price appreciation around 3.8% intraday from trading platforms, though there's no fresh strategic news beyond the dividend boost. Okay. So strength is expected to dissipate by midday of today's trading session, and then it will expected to retrace up till Thursday, the 21st, and then after that, the uptrend may resume. 37.39 is downward projection. We now have 45.31 upper projection. 45.31, just a slight upper projection from current levels. Let's see now. Yeah, everything's robustly bullish, but we have a negative second derivative. Maybe that's why we have a potential rejection by midday of today's trading session. Okay, let's see. Let's have a look at its daily chart to see if we have further upper projections here. Okay, we had yeah, 48.1, 50.74. Yeah. Okay, there's also 48.0 to 54.61, 58.68. Online trend is severely bearish. 59.34, 55.27, 53.82. 61.98, 64.61. So yes, there's ample room to the upside for FLXS. So let's see what's going on with BINI. BINI up 12.45%. And the line trend is okay. Let's see. Not so clear, not so visible there. Okay, so lower prices are expected to play out up till Wednesday, that's tomorrow, and then after that, consolidation phase will remain in place up till Friday the 22nd, and then after that, we might get a bounce. Yeah, projections say we have 5.48 That will be 10x current price. Okay, that will be good. Price pressure momentums. Let's see what we have. Severely bearish. Severely bearish. Okay, let's look at AWD. Okay, we didn't see what's going on with BINI. Trading halted as of the 1st of August. Meanwhile, stock has been on a severe decline, dropping 90% since over recent days. New developments haven't have surfaced since no new developments have surfaced since the halt. So the buzz stem from a speculative position ahead of a potential news. Okay, ADD, the stock is in a free fall, down 86.98, down 86 to 90% over recent weeks. So it's currently up by 49.16%. Let's see. Okay, fundamentals are weak. Tiny market cap 3 million to 4.75 million dollars. No major news release recently making the buzz. A likely speculative charter in the microcap or meme stock communities. Okay, could be. Okay, so weakness is expected to remain in place up till Thursday. Then after that, it may cycle up and with a peak around Wednesday the 27th. Projections we have between, oh my goodness, okay, okay, between between, am I seeing right here? Okay. 335 and $1,670. Okay, that'll be good. That if that pans out that way, that will be good. That will be good. What am I looking at here? Current price. I think there's something. Okay, no, I'm not looking at the right thing. No, sorry, this is wrong. ADD. Yeah, this is the right thing. Okay, so this is what we're supposed to be looking at. Sorry, we have projections between 0.2724 to, sorry, 0.24, so 0.1994 and 0.8378. That's a projection currently prevailing now. Let's see. We have up to 0.9626 as well as of Monday, the 28th of July. We had up to 1.27 as of the 18th of July. Yeah. Okay, what's the news? Okay, yeah, we've gotten the news already. So let's have a look at LASE. Up 86.18%. Intraday high in this session 5.18. Okay, let's see. Extrapolation is saying that we will have a distributive contraction that may remain in place up till Thursday, the 28th of August, given the spike. And we have a downward projection of 3.1, 4.56 is current price, intraday high 5.18. So let's see whether we've seen any 5.18 before or anything higher than that. 5.18, 4.41, 5.18, 4.43. Let's glance at before we do that, let's have a look at the price pressure momentum here. It's robustly bullish, but we have negative second derivatives for some reason, indicating that there's a good chance that it's not going to hold this strength. There's yeah, indicating that maybe high prices may not print anymore. Yeah. Okay. Let's see now. We want to see if there are higher prices. Want to see if it has printed anything higher than if it has any projection beyond 5.18. Yeah, we have 5.49, 5.85, 6.07 that printed earlier on today. Currently in play, no, those ones are not. Yeah, let's see. 6.07 is played out today, was printed today. Let's see. 4.12, 4.23, 4.42, 4.81. Let's see. 3 minute chart. Let's see. 4.58. Okay, we've seen 6.07. That may be the highest. We could check the daily chart as well and see 4.6, 5.21, 5.56, 5.90. Since 6.07, let's come down to the daily chart. 2.51, nothing like that. Yeah, okay, 6.49, 6.78. This is all the way back to early December of last year. So just have a look and see what you make of these stocks. And thank you very much for watching this video.